to power on your Garmin Fenix 8, Tactix 8 or Enduro 3, what you need to do is to press and hold that button until you see the Garmin logo. Just like that. You can now release and just wait a couple of seconds and the watch will be powered on. Then, if you want to power it off, what you need to do is to press and hold that same exact button until you reach the controls over here. You can navigate into it with those two buttons. Just navigate through to that power off option and say yes. And that's it. The watch is now power off. And if you want to force the power off because the watch is freeze, just press and hold that button until it power off. You will see that screen, that's all right. You will also see that release for assistance. Do not release, just keep holding it. And that's it, we are done. The watch is now power off. Power it on again, it's the very same principle. You press and hold that upper left button until you see the Garmin logo and the watch will power on. So I hope this was helpful.